Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 8th February 2023. So, under the influence of a western disturbance, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall, snowfall likely over western region on 9th and 10th of February and reduction thereafter. Accordingly, we have mentioned here a point here. Now, let us look at the observation. So yesterday, light to moderate rainfall snowfall observed at many places over Arunachal Pradesh and at a few places over Assam, West Bengal and Sikkim. And light to moderate rainfall reported over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If we look at the minimum temperature scenarios, they are in the range of 8 to 12 degrees Celsius over most parts of plains of North India and Madhya Pradesh. The lowest minimum temperature of 5.4 degrees Celsius recorded over Churu in West Rajasthan. Yesterday, no cold wave, no cold day, and no fog conditions prevailed. Now, let us look at the 5 days forecast and weather warnings. So, as already mentioned, that there is a western disturbance today in morning seen over western parts of Iran at 5.8 and 7.6 kilometer above mean sea level as a cyclonic circulation. So, under the influence of that western disturbance, it is likely to move eastwards and likely to cause isolated rainfall, snowfall activity today over northern parts of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. And after today, that is from tomorrow, that is on 9th and 10th, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall, snowfall activity likely over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh and scattered rainfall and snowfall activity over Uttarakhand and isolated activity also likely over Punjab and Haryana on 9th. So this is the main activity during the period of 9th and 10th of February. And here in left hand side panel we have shown color coded weather warning. So you can see that for today thunderstorm activity is expected at isolated places over northeast India and Somali, West Bengal and Sikkim. There are a little chances of isolated hailstorm also over Sikkim and neighborhood today. And tomorrow thunderstorm activity is expected over western region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 9th and 10th. And heavy rainfall is also heavy rainfall snowfall likely over Kashmir Valley on 9th of February. Otherwise, no significant weather warning has been issued for any parts of the country other than these mentioned here. As regards dense fog conditions, they are expected in the night and morning hours of 10th and 11th. Otherwise, no significant fog conditions likely to prevail over any parts of the country. No significant cold wave conditions likely to prevail any parts of the country. If we see the minimum temperature forecast, so they are likely to rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius gradually during next 2 days over northwest India and fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. If we look at the central India, so they are expected to rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during next 3 days and fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. Otherwise, no significant change in minimum temperature likely over any parts of the country during next 4 or 5 days. So, other than this, strong surface winds likely to prevail over parts of northwest India on 11th and 12th of February. So we are regularly monitoring this western disturbance and its associated weather. Accordingly, you can visit our website mausam.imd.gov.in for updated information, and you can follow us Facebook and Twitter pages. So this is all about today's briefing, and we will discuss again with updated information tomorrow. Till then, namaskar.